Have you ever heard about wellness shots? What about immunity shots? Shots are nutritious and concentrated small doses made of superfoods that are consumed throughout the day. Is your immunity low? If you are always down with colds, flu, or tired, your immunity is probably low. It means that your defenses are weakened, and when that happens, viruses and bacteria can harm your immune system. If that's your case, today's video was made for you. In today's video, you will learn how to make an immunity shot with 3 ingredients that will improve your health. The ingredients of this recipe are lemon, turmeric, and propolis. Learn the benefits of each one of them. Lemon improves digestion, boosts immunity, has anti-inflammatory properties, and other benefits that you can learn about by watching the suggested video. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory and rich in antioxidants, and propolis has antiseptic and protective effects, inhibiting the proliferation of undesired microorganisms, both in a beehive and in the human body. That's interesting, isn't it? Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now that you know the benefits of the ingredients, let's see the recipe. You will need 1 lemon, whole, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 20 drops propolis. Directions: in a small glass, squeeze the lemon. After that, add the propolis and turmeric. Mix well and drink right after. Drink the shot in the morning while fasting to get all the benefits of this mixture. The convenience of making it is one of the positive points to add this shot in your daily life. Try it and share your experience with us. If you have ever tried any wellness shots, share your recipe and your opinions. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.